Two Crazy AI brings you our curated top AI stories of the day. OpenAI rolls out a more direct, more accurate GPT-5.3 Instant, while Google launches Gemini 3.1 Flash-Lite, faster and cheaper than ever. Meanwhile, Alibaba's Qwen team sees a wave of high-level departures, sending shockwaves through the open-source community. Let's dive in.
On March 3rd, OpenAI released GPT-5.3 Instant, and the core improvement is simple: AI that stops lecturing. The new model no longer tells users to stop and take a deep breath. It just answers the question directly and concisely. On accuracy, hallucinations are down nearly 27% when used with web access, with especially strong improvements in high-stakes fields like medicine, law, and finance. The model is now available free to all users, and developers can access it via API. Notably, OpenAI published a system card openly disclosing that some safety benchmarks slightly regressed, a level of transparency rare in the industry.
Google has launched Gemini 3.1 Flash-Lite in preview, the fastest and cheapest model in the Gemini 3 family. Compared to the previous Gemini 2.5 Flash, output speed is up 45%, and first token response is 2.5 times quicker. On pricing, input costs just 25 cents per million tokens, less than 1/8 of Gemini 3.1 Pro. The standout feature is thinking levels, which lets developers freely switch between 4 reasoning depth settings, balancing speed and accuracy based on task complexity. It outperforms GPT-5 Mini and Claude 4.5 Haiku on 6 industry benchmarks. In March 2026, China's AI world was rocked by a major personnel shakeup. Alibaba Cloud's Qwen large model technical lead Lin Junyang posted, "Me stepping down, bye my beloved Qwen," on X, officially announcing his departure from the team he built. On the same day, post-training lead Yu Bowen also resigned, and Qwen code lead Hui Binyuan had already left for Meta back in January. 3 core leaders gone in just a few months. The root cause points to Alibaba's sweeping reorganization of the Qwen team, plans to break up its tightly integrated architecture and impose daily active user metrics on fundamental research. For the developer community, the biggest fear is this: will Qwen abandon frontier open-source model delivery and go closed and commercial? xAI has released Grok 4.20 Beta 2, a precision upgrade focused on reliability. The new version improves across 5 core dimensions. Instruction following is sharper, with the model no longer generating unrequested extra content. Hallucinations are down roughly 65% through an internal multi-agent cross-verification mechanism. LaTeX math formula rendering has improved significantly for academic use cases. Image search triggers more intelligently, and multi-image rendering consistency is strengthened. This update signals xAI is cementing Grok's competitive edge in demanding professional scenarios through sheer engineering.
Anthropic is rolling out voice mode for Claude Code, letting developers dictate programming commands entirely by voice, no keyboard required. Activation is simple. Type the /voice command in the terminal, hold the spacebar, speak your request, and release. Claude Code executes immediately. The push-to-talk design gives developers precise control over when voice input is triggered, preventing accidental commands. The feature is being rolled out to Pro, Max, Team, and Enterprise subscribers at no extra charge. The initial rollout covers about 5% of users, with full availability expected over the coming weeks. Currently English only.
Today's biggest question: 3 of Qwen's core leaders are gone in just months, with Lin Junyang signing off with, "Bye my beloved Qwen." Alibaba is now measuring a fundamental research team by daily active users. Is this a pragmatic business pivot or killing the goose that laid the golden egg? Do you think Qwen can still deliver frontier open-source models? What's your take? Drop it in the comments. Two Crazy AI. Back tomorrow. Stay crazy.